I'm gonna freeze dry Larry and attempt to bring him back from the dead. Let's see if it works. We have a freeze dryer in the back of our bus, and it's always an experiment when it comes to freeze drying something for the first time. A few of you suggested freeze drying Larry, my sourdough starter, so I can share him with others and just to have a backup supply in case something happens. This process took about 19 hours, and now we have a tiny Larry tablets. Next, it's time for the ultimate test, seeing if we can actually make a loaf of sourdough using the freeze-dried tablets. I'm starting with 2 pieces, which equates to exactly 5 grams. I'm crushing that up into a powder, pouring it into a mason jar, and adding 25 grams of filtered water. Give that a good mix, cover it with a paper towel, and let it sit on the counter for 1 hour. Once it's been an hour, I'm adding 20 grams of unbleached bread flour, mixing it up again, and putting it back on the counter until the next day. For the next 5 days, I added unbleached bread flour and filtered water to the starter until it grew strong enough to bake bread with. The starter has almost tripled in size. It's very bubbly, and we're going to use it to make a loaf of sourdough.